My name is Sarala of 9th class, studying in Ravindra English Medium School for Girls. Today my topic is about bio toilets in Indian Railways. Why we are using these bio toilets? In our Indian Railways, these bio toilets are used because whenever their toilets is there, these toilets are directly discharged into the when it comes to disposal of human excreta and other waste. When it comes to the disposal of human excreta and other waste, the country's largest public sector undertaking, the Indian Railways has been routing into dock for many years. Untreated excreta and sewage are discharged into open, leaving railway tracks and repulsive site. Most of the passenger coaches contain 4 toilets. Both are 2 types of coach. The human waste from these toilets is directly discharged into water, leaving a railway tracks a repulsive site. Most of the coaches contain 4 toilets, 2 on both sides of each coach. The human waste from this toilet is directly discharged into the human. So we should see that bio toilet should be increased. If a bio toilet is increased, if the excreta is discharged into the railway tracks, no need of this is also no need of causing this. So we should use these bio toilets. Working of this bio toilet. Working of this bio toilet. Water from overhead tank flushes into the toilet. From these flushes, human excreta and water is stored in one of the storing tank. Here, human excreta, which is of heavy particles, settle down, and the water and the low particles go into the another chamber. Here in another chamber, its second chamber is connected to the charge chamber through a pipe near its base. In third chamber, the particles of lightweight particles go down, and here the water overflows to the fourth chamber. In this fourth chamber, filtration is done. Filter is done to absorb the particles which are present in it. In these particles, again it is transferred to the treatment tank. In this treatment tank, with the help of 10% of chlorine solution and 1% of phenyl solution, it is added. And an agitator is provided in the treatment tank for proper mixing of these chemicals with this water. And this treated water is again sent to the activated charcoal. In this activated charcoal, this charcoal absorbs all the materials which are particles and also materials which are present in the water and get it purified. And again this water is sent through, and again this water is sent to a motor present in it. Here this water is again recirculated to the water through overhead tank. By this we can recirculate water. The fecal matter present in the retention tanks can be used as a fertilizer. In the agriculture. There we can see one model of bio toilets. This compost paste can be introduced in the digester tank, and it removes all the water material contained in that paste, and a mixer is provided in the digester tank, and it is commenced into a powder, and we can see that powder there. It will be used for the agriculture as a manure, and it contains more amounts of, we know that our human waste consists of more amount of nitrogen, and this nitrogen is used for generates nitrates and ammonia, which are useful for the crops. We can grow these types of agriculture crops also, and those are the 2 models which I have exhibited. Different types of bio toilets which are used not only in rice, but also we can use these types of toilets in their in foreign countries. These types of toilets are used in also scooters, and if we do not use these type of bio toilets, we should wash those tracks, and it will be a double and again there will be different types of working models also we have. And in construction of buildings also we can use these types of bio toilets. By this we can prevent pollution. At the same time we can prevention of pollution, and also corrosion of rice and fastenings, and also we use this fecal matter as a agriculture product, and it is an eco-friendly manner. So we should use these types of bio toilets used in the economy. And there we can see it is used in different fields. In different fields these types of bio toilets are used. If we implement these types of bio toilets everywhere, we can see the pollution very harm, and it will not do any harm to the ozone layer, and we can protect our ozone layer and also global warming. So it is an eco-friendly and of cheap cost we can produce. So I suggest to use bio toilets in all over the India for developing of the country.
What's your ambition?
Doctor.